Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. This week I just needed some like little profile doodles for my Twitch channel. I've streamed before, but the thing is I like kind of promised that once I hit 500 subscribers on here that I would like commit to a stream of like a certain length at least once a week. So I mean, maybe not once a week, but like probably once a week and on a schedule, you know what I mean? So yeah, I figured I should probably practice doing that before committing to it or waiting until the last second, waiting until I hit 500 because I'm pretty I'm pretty shy still. It's a little hard to get past the weird feeling you get when you reply to someone like with your voice who's typing in the chat. And like you kind of have to make an effort to be entertaining, and like there's people watching you live, and it's just, I don't know, it makes me nervous, so I have to, you know, get over that. And I got over being nervous for doing my voiceovers, so can't be that hard. So I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do my best. So my username on Twitch is SpiritSai. If you guys were curious and you want to pop by, the best place to catch me would probably be on Twitter. If I stream, I'll definitely announce it on Twitter, and I'm pretty sure there's an easy way to do that on YouTube as well, so probably gonna make the announcement on YouTube as well, since Twitch is kind of coming from YouTube, so yeah, it's only fair that I make the effort to try and advertise here as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.